Hi, this is Lisa Tedder with Tedder Bear Stamping, and today I am going to show you how to make this really nice, fast gift card holder that will hold any gift card. I just wanted to do something really quick and easy to show you how easy it is just to make something up when you might not have the time to do it or go out and buy one. Okay, so you're going to come in with a 4x5 piece of paper. Okay, so now you're just going to put on your plates, and I apologize, my plates are super messed up, but I'm still using them. Alright, then you're going to come in with your Simply Scored and put this tab on the side and score it at 2 3/4. Okay, so then you're going to come in and burnish all your score lines. Alright, and then I'm going to cut off the one tab here and make two little, make them just go in just a little bit so that they will fold nicely. Alright, so now you're going to figure out where you want your adhesive, and we want it on this side and we want it on this side so that they're on the inside when you close this. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to do it like this so that it will fold on each other, and then you fold it like that. Alright, perfect. Okay, then I'm going to come in with the 1/2 inch or the 3/4 inch circle, and I'm going to do both because I want to be able to grab this card out of here. Then you're going to come in with your DSP that is 2 by 3.5, and I've already done that with the 1 inch circle punch, and that just makes it so it sits so nicely up against this. So you're going to put that on, and then you will have this, and then you have your nice little gift card holder. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that's super easy. Hope you come back again. And next week I'm going to be doing a card with special folds. So I will see you next time. Thanks.